they're calling for some snow, and it's already starting. It's supposed to go throughout the day. Now I have to change my game plan up because some people bust my stones and give me a hard time when I show up in bad weather. They always keep saying, oh, I knew you were going to be here because it's starting to snow. Or I knew you was going to be here because it's starting to rain. You always show up when it rains. No, it just works out that way. But, you know, the show goes on. You know, rain, sleet, snow, and shine. I'm like the mailman. I never stop. Except the mailman don't work on holidays. I do. So I'm actually better than the mailman. But anyway, what I wanted to say is that I have a giveaway coming up. This giveaway is good for window cleaners, but really it's good for all. So all my non-window cleaning subscribers who watch this video, here's your chance to get in on the action. Now, I have a trivia question for you guys. Actually, is one trivia question, and well, actually, it's kind of like two trivia questions. If you want to call the second one a trivia question, the first person to answer both of them correctly, and I will look at the timestamp on the comments, and then I will announce the winner and show you what you won. Now I gotta tell you, this is a cool invention, a very, very neat giveaway that I'm giving out. I have some of the coolest giveaways, some of the nicest giveaways. Here's some of the things I've given away in the past. $25 gift certificate, or $50 gift certificate. Yeah, $50 gift certificate or money order. One 14-inch Legend channel, one 20-inch Legend channel, Wagtails, Mormon accelerators, razor red rubber, portable water-fed device, a drone, what else? There's some other things too. I can't think of them all, but it's been a lot of cool giveaways. Oh, a RC roach. Yeah, don't ask. But also the original first prototype that was ever given out of the tip jar. I don't know what the heck I was thinking with that one. Don't ask. I just call myself being nice. I mean, who does that? Who gives away stuff like that? Me. Somebody else who needs it better than me. But now that I think about it, I should have kept it, because it was a gift. Well, I got the second generation prototype. It was given to me. It was an updated version, but I still wanted the original. I should have kept it because it was smaller. But anyway, it's long gone now. I think John Burbage or somebody got it. But anyway, he doesn't even come and watch the channel anymore. Well, maybe he does, maybe he doesn't, but at least he's having fun with it, or that person's having fun with it. I hope he's still using it to this day. And if that person watched this video, if you're not using it, please give it back to me. I would actually pay the shipping and the boxing, whatever it costs, for you to ship it back to me. Because I want it. If you're not using it, I want it. I want it back. So, the trivia question is, in my video, I have emojis. I've had dozens of them in all of my previous videos. Now this, for some of you, may be like finding a needle in a haystack. But some know just where to look for this one. Find the white bird. Now this white bird has been seen in quite a few videos. I'm not giving any hints out. So go find the white bird. And then the second trivia question is, what is the most important thing that you need when you go? Well, there is a few important things, but I'm only looking for one answer. What is the most important thing that you need when you're going to a residential house? When you're doing a residential house? When you're cleaning a residential house? Let me rephrase that. What is the most important thing you need when you're getting ready to clean a residential house? The most important thing. It's a must, especially if you want to look professional. All right? So there you have it. Find the white bird, and what is the most important thing you need before you clean a residential house? The windows, that is. Well, even if you're not doing the windows, even if you're just doing general cleaning, what is a good thing that you need? What is the best thing you need, a must-have? All right? So there you have it. Let's get to work. First person that answer wins. And I gotta tell you, those who wonder if they should get in on this giveaway or not, once you see what I'm giving away, you're gonna say, damn, I could have used that. You snooze, you lose, baby. So, you got the directions, so let's get to work.